Good morning, my people. So, yesterday I have two lovely guests. They're from Finland. So, we decided that we're gonna. Sorry for the noise, that's my daughter. The reason why I'm doing a voiceover because the wind was so high at the seaside, so you're gonna hardly hear what we were saying. So this is us making the fire. That's my guest and my mom. My two guests. That was the peas on the stove, and we are making it come together. Sorry for the noise. I'm a mom, so my daughter is in the background, and as you can see, that's my daughter. And the peas boiling. We were making some pea soup. We was chilling. Azuri, love the guests love Azuri. It was everything just perfect. I was showing how to peel the coconut, and then we started peeling it. It was just good, and everything was just coming together. He was showing my mom that he's peeling the coconut properly. Yeah. Yes. And he's doing a good job because it is his first time peeling a coconut, and he's doing way better than me because I couldn't have peeled it that fast as him. Yeah. But he's gonna do it. He's doing a really good job peeling the coconut.
Nice.
Look. Yeah, he's getting there. You know the fun thing about yesterday? He peeled the coconut. And I was so surprised because I was saying he wasn't gonna peel the coconut as we were trying to play with the guest thing. And I have to tell her, no, don't trouble it.
Nice.
This is him tasting the coconut water and stuff like that.
Fresh coconut.
That is Asbury in the background singing her favorite song. As I repeat before, I'm a mom, so I have to multitask. So I have Azuri here and I'm doing this voiceover. So if you hear she chipping every now and then, it's with me. And we reach here where he is cutting up the coconut. Cutting up the coconut. Because we're going to put some coconut milk in the pea soup.
He's going to make a big bad pea soup with potatoes.
Yeah.
I've eaten his cooking once before.
How was it?
We made quesadillas.
That's Azuri. That's his friend explaining that he has better cutting skills. And we were just having the time of our lives.
They say Mexicans don't put, or he says that they don't put creme fraiche on the tortillas. I use them in creme fraiche, you know? Dunk it. So put it on. It tastes good.
Yeah. So that's Miss Azuri showing me that she's making a birthday cake. No, I think she said she has a lollipop.
It doesn't have to be that fine
Yeah?
because it's going
Did a
inside the
very good
blender.
job
So
with the coconut.
Told me to make it like this.
yeah.
Nah.
It's hard.
Because you know it's kind of like soft, but it's really, really hard.
It's just a bad food. Okay, one more time. Lower, then you go. Do like this.
Nice soup. Azur, get away from there.
Only fry things, no sand, sand food.